Hello, welcome to the Anytime, Anywhere meditation event with Mingyur Rinpoche. We often speak about meditation as a path to discovering true happiness. And the question is, where is that? Where is that to be found? And often we look for this outside. We look for material wealth, for financial gain, for power, for success in our world. And yet there can be this sense that no matter how much we find that, how much we gain in terms of financial comfort, physical well-being, success in our work life, that there's still a sense of dissatisfaction, of anxiety, of depression, or just sort of a dis-ease that remains present in our being. And the reason is that we think that happiness is found outside in the external objects. And really at the heart of this practice, of all meditation practice, is this idea of turning within and discovering that happiness is found within ourselves. It's not outside. And in the Anytime, Anywhere meditation program in particular, Mingyur Rinpoche introduces us to three aspects or qualities of our innate well-being and how to connect with and nurture those. And those are awareness, kindness, and curiosity. These are qualities that are with us all the time, 24 hours a day. We have this amazing sense of presence, of wanting to help, wanting to be happy, wanting to be free from suffering, and having curiosity about how things really are for us in the world. And by recognizing these qualities within us, this is where we discover peace, well-being, and really foster not just that, but really a capacity to handle all of what life throws at us. And so that through this program, Mingyur Rinpoche will really introduce, show us how to practice and connect with awareness, kindness, and curiosity. And that forms the basis and the foundation that we can then bring to working with all of our difficult emotions, be it stress, anxiety, anger, jealousy, whatever you're dealing with. And also to nurture a sense of well-being, joy, ease, and a sense of capacity that this is something that you can bring into your life. Really another kind of key point in this Anytime, Anywhere practice is right in the title, that this meditation is not something that we need to retreat from our daily life, retreat from the world to do. Of course, doing retreat can be wonderful, but when we're able to bring meditation into every moment of our life, into finding and using the obstacles that we encounter in our daily life as the practice, as a means of fostering and nurturing our recognition of our innate capacities, then the practice really becomes powerful and meaningful, and something that you can bring into your life no matter how busy you are, how lazy you are. We can find little moments throughout the day, every day, that really add up and make a difference in how we experience our lives. So if you're new to meditation, the Anytime, Anywhere meditation program really lays out the foundation, a kind of roadmap for all the different meditation practices you might explore in the future, whether that's through Tergar's Joy of Living program or any meditative tradition. Awareness, kindness, or loving kindness, compassion, curiosity, wisdom, these are the foundational elements of any meditative tradition. And so it gives you a basis that you can then bring into any exploration you do in the future. And for those of you who may have been meditating for a while, explored many different kinds of meditation practice, I've found and experienced that this Anytime, Anywhere meditation program, it kind of brings everything together and makes concise and clear the essence of what we're doing in meditation. So I think there's really something for everyone in this program. To get into what we're going to be doing in the program, we're going to have live sessions every day with Mingyur Rinpoche. And we're also going to have a number of sessions with Theragar guides like myself and others who are going to guide practice sessions. We're going to have Q&A opportunities. And also each day we'll have an opportunity to share and connect with each other. So hopefully by participating in this program, whether you're there in person or home watching online, there's really a goal here of bringing us together, a sense of community, that we're not doing this alone, but that we're connected. So I really hope you're able to join us. I look forward to seeing you soon. And thank you so much for your interest in this program and in meditation. And we'll see you soon.